Hello, I'm OBD, the voice of your car. Today we're talking about diagnostic codes P0300 through P0304 and what they actually mean. P0300 means your engine isn't misfiring in just one cylinder, the misfire can happen anywhere. That's what makes this code harder to track down. And don't ignore it. If the check engine light is flashing, raw fuel can damage your catalytic converter pretty quickly. Codes P0301 through P0304 are a little easier. They tell you exactly which cylinder is misfiring, cylinder 1, 2, 3, or 4. The possible causes are often the same, but at least you've got a starting point. What does it feel like? The engine may shake, idle rough, hesitate when you accelerate, or even stall. And if that check engine light starts blinking, the misfire is happening right now. So what's usually behind it? Worn spark plugs, failing ignition coils, dirty injectors, low fuel pressure, vacuum leaks. And sometimes even a weak battery or low system voltage can trigger random misfires. Where should you start? Check the basics first. Inspect the spark plugs, swap the ignition coils, verify fuel pressure, and look at the live data with a scan tool. If the misfire keeps changing cylinders, that's a strong sign you're dealing with a P0300. The biggest mistake? Replacing parts without testing. Sometimes it's nothing more than a worn-out spark plug. Other times, you'll have to dig deeper to find the real cause. Now you know what P0300 through P0304 mean, and where to begin before spending money on parts you may not even need.